So Faith just realized all her clothes are missing and that her nightstand's upside down.
Where did it go?
Taking all of Faith's belongings. Great rules.
What have you done? Where are they?
So, this is what happens when you mess with your roommates really early in the morning. Things go missing and they get flipped upside down.
Where are they?
And
Oh yeah.
there's
Gotta show off the hangers. Up
there's
there.
definitely hangers, but the clothes are gone. No, Faith, those are my clothes.
Faith, aren't you on duty?
Well, you hung us up there and I told her I was going to the Anna Joy. And then I came downstairs to get my purse and I can't find it.
Oh, you took her purse too.
Oh my god. Alright, well there's one. They all over there.
No, that's my stuff.
Where did you put them? Where are they? What? I'm baffled. Where did they go?
Devaney.
Did you burn them? Did you eat them?
Did you eat them? Oh.
That's just my stuff.
I'm so confused.